Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and noting the exact audio device name from settings right arrow system, right arrow sound. Once done, create a restore point so you can revert changes quickly. Now open Device Manager with Win+X, expand sound, video, and game controllers, and locate the driver entry. You'll act on that item next. Make sure you've closed apps that use audio so the driver can update cleanly without conflicts. You now decide whether to use Windows built-in update or the manufacturer's package. First, try Device Manager, right arrow update driver, right arrow search automatically. If that fails, download the OEM driver that matches your device model and Windows 10 bitness. Run the downloaded installer as administrator, and if it's old, right-click right arrow properties, right arrow compatibility to force the correct mode. Once the installer finishes, follow prompts to reboot. This ensures that you finish by rebooting and testing audio in settings right arrow sound and the playback device's control panel. Make sure your output device is set as default and volume levels are correct. If audio is worse, go back to Device Manager to roll back driver or uninstall the device and reinstall the driver package. This often clears corrupted installs. If things still fail, restore the restore point you created or run Windows Update for driver fixes. This is the fastest, reliable troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.